Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This centrally located 5 bedrooms, 6 bathroom fixer upper house is located in the upscale area of Welwyn Avenue, Kingston 6, with upscale cafes, shops, entertainment venues, restaurants, and schools just 2 minutes away. The size of this house is approximately 5,066 square feet. There is also a 1 bedroom, self-contained cottage that can be used as an income earner. This house has 2 entrances and comes with porcelain tiles, ceiling fans, staircase, 2 kitchens, decoramastic roof, and much more. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 575,000 or Jamaican $88.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.